All right, everybody. I had a stupid idea, as I have many. We're gonna see if this starter solenoid kicks over and pulls and kicks out the starter. So I got my black lead. This is just so we can see if this whole e-start's working. Here, we'll go right to my battery strap, the ground, and then we'll go to our positive. I want to get a good purchase on that. Okay, come on. All right. Do we have juice? Oh yeah. We're hot and ready. Okay. You ready, Grunkle Billy?
Go for it.
Oh jeez. Okay, here we go. You see it pulling in and out, but it's not.
It's a Butte Clark.
Is that whole gear coming out?
On the big one here on my left? Yeah.
Is it actually engaging with the big gear on the?
It's trying.
It's trying, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right. Awesome. Hey everybody! I forgot to hook up the positive for the starter. We were just actuating the starter solenoid. Now I've got it hooked up with both. Hang on a second, I'll show you. All right, so we got the cable over here. You can see it. This is the positive cable, and we've got power. Positive will come off of here, jump over to the starter solenoid trigger, and we checked it. We're getting ground to the starter. Everything seems to be working. So all I'm going to have to do is touch this cable to positive. Negative, I just kind of jammed it in there, right? So we'll hand the phone over.
All right.
And just keep your eyeballs over here. You ready? Oh boy.
Here we go.
Again, another great idea. Ready?
Oh, it's moving.
It moved a little bit?
Yeah, it did. It turned it a little bit.
All right, let's try it again, see if it moves or not. If not, I'm just not going to mess with it anymore.
All right. It moved a little bit.
It moved a little bit. Okay. Well,
yeah. Maybe do what you did before and just pop the Bendix in and out.
Yeah, I'm not going to mess with that. It does work. We saw it sort of kind of move. This isn't obviously the right battery, but we'll keep going. And we have signs of life. It's like the first lightning bolt into old Frank. All right, we'll see you guys. Easy.
It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, in the name of God. Now I know what it feels like to be God.
All right, everybody. So I made more progress. Every time I come out here, I want to make more progress. I ordered my brake components, so you can see that this is a new master. So I had to get this banjo. This is a 10 millimeter banjo or whatever to AN. You see that here? Right? AN hose. This is AN braided brake hose. And this brake hose comes down and it'll go to this T, which I'm getting a new T. But it'll go right there, mount right in there. And then I got 2 new lines that go into the calipers, which is awesome. We had to torch and heat and beat the other ones out of the calipers. We got those all apart in a box. I'm gonna throw them in my ultrasonic cleaner, get that going. We did hook up the speedometer from the wheel. We hooked it up here. Grunkle Billy spun the wheel, and we were getting positive movement on the speedo, and the odometer went up a little bit. And the other big thing that we did is I hooked up. We got our meter. I got a battery. We got some jumper cables, some jumper cords, and we hooked this thing up, and we got the starter solenoid to work, and then I hooked it up to the battery power, and we did actually get this thing to move a little bit. It's kind of canted a little bit. You can see, we need to get the case on and get it all square, and then it'll probably roll over. Let's put my spark plugs back in because I took those out. I was like, oh, maybe it was wasn't moving because the spark plugs were in, but they weren't in very tight anyways. I'm just trying to keep, you know, critters out. So the other thing is we're going to get this clutch back together. It's sitting in a box all over here by itself. And then we can put on the case and get this all together. Remember last week we staked a whole new clutch ramp in there. We got our pieces. I got a whole box of fun parts. I got some wire. I got some split looming. If you guys ever seen this, this is this cool split loom, so we can go over the cables in the end. It just kind of rolls on itself, so you don't have to snake it all over the whole wire. Got this off of Amazon. I got 3 different sizes. I got 3/4, 1/2 inch, and 3/8. What else did I get? I got some more 22 gauge silicone wire. I got some of these solder things. I'm not going to use them on the bike, but I got some of those. And what else we got here? Oh, they call this stuff, if you've never seen this, is wire harness loom tape or tussa tape. Again, awesome. I used it on the Chinese scooter. So that's kind of where we're at. You know, we're just trying to make progress. I think I'm going to try and get the clutch in tomorrow. I keep saying I want to get the clutch in, but then all these other things pop up. And we got a bunch more parts on the way. I got the actual dual brake discs that go on here, right? And a whole bunch of other crap. So I'll do another update video, or I might combine it with this one. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Easy. All right, everybody. Another Sunday. More stuff done. We got the electronic ignition in. All right, we got that shoved through the hole here and wired up. And we got the coil hooked up. This is just obviously temporary. You can see this temporary. We're gonna have to route this where it needs to go. I got these awesome jumpers off of Temu. These things are really great. I used a bunch of them already. And then the big thing is we got the clutch back in. So now we can put the cover on and close up, you know, the clutch and everything. And I'm not gonna put a gasket on yet. I'm just gonna put the cover on and make sure that we can turn the engine over again. And that's about it. We just, you know, a few more things down. I got some more parts coming. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one when I get more parts. We'll see you. Easy.